Hello, myself Sunil Ramakrishna. Here basically we are discussing about one topic, that is currencies, and in currencies basically we are talking about the global warming. Global warmings are equal to the error basically. That is the ideas basically. So global warming basically that seems to be error, and mostly basically I think basically global warming equal to the name is like error solve. Global warming basically that means basically global warming basically it seems to be error, but I think that is not error basically. That is the correction of the all error basically. That basically should be the meaning of the global warming. So here basically we are discussing that only, the solution number 12 basically. In this basically the solution was cities creation. So here basically one of the person told that uh, basically we have saw each and every touchable objects, right, basically in global in glacier basically. So is there any basically object basically which are not touchable, that are the souls basically? Then he told that basically before creation the glacier basically, before creating the glacier in the ice, placing the glacier in the area basically where the all the glacier basically are. So before placing there basically, and before basically creating there the glacier, is there any process basically which happens? Then he told that basically mostly basically might be reason, if new glacier basically comes into the area of glacier, then basically it might create problem basically. That's why basically the each and every things basically are created and checked basically. So one of the person told that basically where this might be getting checked. Then he told that basically it might possible that where 365 days basically ice would be there basically. So that basically is one Canada, one is Russia, or basically it might be Switzerland basically. So this is the place basically where basically 365 days year ice always exists. So in this basically they basically can do the testing of the glacier basically. So glacier testing basically mostly might be done as a object creation only basically. So in this area only basically you can test the glacier testing basically. And before this basically, because this is also created fully basically, so before this creation basically uh, lots of areas basically are there basically, the food creation happens, lots of human needs creation happens. So there also basically it might possible that the creation basically might test basically, because Switzerland, China, Switzerland, Canada, and Russia like country basically are already created. So they will take risk basically, but not too much risk basically. So they will basically testing first this glacier basically into the human bodies basically, and then only basically they are going to take the glacier into the environment basically. So like this basically lots of human bodies are also created, which is telling that that person which is going, that is the glacier of building, that person which is going, that is the glacier of human souls, that person basically which is going, that is the glacier of all the vehicles, that person which is going, that is the glacier of this businessman basically, that glacier with that person which is going, that is the glacier of that businessman, that glacier which is going, that is the glacier of government basically, bjp government glacier is also there basically. So just basically care, just basically this need to be also checked basically. BJP glacier basically, where is BJP glacier, where is Congress glacier, where is the Aam Aadmi Party glacier, where basically these all are basically getting created basically. And mostly basically this might be getting created on the particular place basically in the particular country basically. After only basically they are going to place into the glacier area, that is the ice area. And Congress basically is very old basically party, and BJP is also very old party. So mostly the glacier basically might be inside the sea basically. So they might have created there basically the area. And lots of people says that basically how basically one Congress party glacier basically can be prepared. Then he told that basically Congress party is one human basically, and it is created by one of the person basically. So his body basically, one of the person told that basically that person which is going, he is a Congress basically. Then he told that that blood cells is a Congress basically. So whatever history basically which has already become famous basically, that human body basically always exists. That is the rule of the universe basically. For example, Abraham Lincoln, John Wilkes Booth, Mahatma Gandhi, Nehru. Subhash Chandra Bose, Bhagat Singh, Chandrasekhar Azad, Sukhdev, Savarkar, this all basically exist with the new body and with the new faces basically. And Lal Bahadur Shastri, like this basically many people basically are there who exist in this world basically, but their body parts and their face basically might be totally different basically. Reason, the universe law say that basically the history basically which is already converted into the history, the people basically who are converted into the history of the book basically, history in the book basically, that also you can say, all basically you can say these people are named in the history of the book basically. Those people basically never dies basically. If they will die, then basically they will get the another body basically. That the reason basically is the universal law basically. So universal law basically is like that basically. So each and every city basically contains what, each and every city contains the history energy basically, that is 100% sure basically. History, Sardar Patel history, like Veer Savarkar history basically, Lala Lajpat Rai history, like this basically each and every people basically exist. So their basically history 100% exists basically. So Britisher basically who died, their history also basically exists. So people, their body also exists basically. So it might possible that the currently basically they might not be Britisher basically. Currently basically they basically might not be Britisher basically. They might have got some other religion, other basically country basically body basically. It might possible basically. Anything is basically possible. So like this basically the glacier basically is, before placing the glacier basically the testing has done basically, and after testing only basically the glacier basically has done are basically created in the sea water basically. This is the only option basically, otherwise entire glacier will get effect, that's why basically. And that for that experiment basically lots of people says that the human souls basically, do you know basically human souls, yeah, human souls, the human souls basically is the base basically of the each and every testing basically. So first human souls basically gets creates, that are the big companies like Reliance, IPCL, ONGC, Ames Oxygen, these all basically companies basically are into the human souls creation. So they basically test each and everything, and then only basically they converts their human souls into one body, and that body basically checks the each and every glacier conditions basically. Total glacier basically exists in the sea. If they are going to place new glacier, for example new object basically came into the earth planet, then basically what are the things going to be effect to the entire glacier, that basically are checked, because that all are the basically the triggers basically. Whenever the large quantity of the objects is going to create, for example building glacier is there right in this world basically. So when the buildings are going to create too much basically, then basically the glacier are going to give their effect, that are basically going to say that basically the degree basically which you have set it as a glacier, that has already basically crossed. So take some action basically, it's like that basically they literally say basically. So like this basically things are basically there. Like this also basically the city creation happens basically. Reason basically glacier basically are tested where basically they are not tested in the jungles na basically. They have to test basically in the human being, wherever the humans are staying, that are basically in cities basically. In India basically it is known as city basically. So like this basically it's like this. So in next video basically we are going to see a little bit more about the city creations basically.